Greetings everybody, today we'll talk about where to properly restore any old Mercedes and my personal plans to buy and restore W140 in near future. Today to find W140 in good condition is not a difficult task, but they are getting expensive. S600 or S500 under 50,000 kilometers will cost you at least $30,000 in Germany. With all the proper paperwork, without any accidents, that's the price today. I saw W140 1998 S600 black, fully loaded with 5,000 kilometers, and the price for this beauty was $120,000. And the crazy thing is that this car was sold in 1 week. It happened 4 years ago in Uzbekistan. Also in Uzbekistan, 1 year ago, S320 with the black color and 49,000 kilometers was sold for $45,000. The car was in perfect condition, accident-free. So prices in Uzbekistan and ex-Soviet Union countries for W140s are getting insane. But in Europe they are still pretty normal. I was born in Uzbekistan and currently I live in Uzbekistan. And we love W140. And even with our love, nobody can properly restore W140 as I like. So I did my research where I can find good mechanics that work with W140s and have big experience. So the first place that I had in my mind is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has mechanics with good experience servicing W140s for decades. They will make any W140 look like new, and it will cost you around from $5,000 up to $15,000. And car will feel great, it will look new, feel new. But I do not want W140 that was glued from other donor cars. I want W140 that was accident-free and has all the structural parts intact. So in Kazakhstan, it's not easy to find car like this. So I continued my search, and then I found Latvia. So in Latvia, Riga, there's a lot of Mercedes lovers. Apparently it is famous for Mercedes restoration. The restoration that will not kill your budget, and also they have all the original parts and you don't pay any VAT tax on importing the parts, like if you order them to Kazakhstan from Germany. My plan was to go to Latvia, find accident-free W140, buy it, and then send it to the local mechanic shop and wait few months and then enjoy W140 for at least 10 years without any problems, and it will smell like new, drive like new. Yes, it will cost much more than restoring it in Kazakhstan, but it's worth it because you will have excellent W140 in your hands. But during my research, I found that you can fully factory restore W140 in Germany in Brabus Classic. Brabus Classics restore about 60-70 cars a year, and they give warranty on it, like factory warranty on it, that nothing will happen to the car. And they receive cars from all over the world, Japan, Australia, New Zealand. The cost of restorations of this 60s SL starts from 40,000 euros. It starts from 40,000 euros, and that's insane amount of money. But Brabus are on another level of restoration than anything that I've seen before during my research. They not only take time to just restore the car, they properly think about every detail of originality, like engine numbers, transmission numbers, part numbers must match, leather, wood, every part of interior must be original or close to original. Every mechanical part that is in the Mercedes must be also original and have the identification papers, stuff like that. It's just mental there. Every part must meet German standards. Wiring also is very surgical there. They just don't fix it, they just replace all the wiring, put the new original wiring, and they have all the parts in-house. How they restore transmission and engine is just crazy. They take apart every detail, fix it, clean it, weld it if they needed to, replace it if they need, then put back together everything, and then they just test it and give you the warranty on it. To restore W140, S500, S600 to a factory condition will take about 10 to 12 months. An approximate cost from 50 to 120,000 to 240,000 euros, depends on the car. If you have something specific, and if you ask them to find, I think it will be much cheaper. And This part of the restoration just kills me. After they finish restoring the car, finish the testing, giving the warranty, independent appraisal comes and appraises the car to give it a proper check and score, and how much this car is worth, and the certificate of originality or something like that. And this kind of attention to details attracts me to a Brabus classic shop. Some say that Rentec can restore it and make it much faster, or any other tuning house can improve W140 and make it much better. But my goal is not to make W140 better, faster. This for me is just pointless. W140 is a perfect car, it just needs to be restored, and that's it. I have clear goals: factory condition, warranty if possible, and really I dream every day to buy W140, take it to Brabus, or just give them the money and pick up brand new W140 from Brabus Classic. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. And I noticed that many of you watch my channel without subscribing, and that's really creepy, so stop being creepy and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.